and you guys think we had a good time today, we got two big surprises coming. Can't wait to show them to you.
Spent 10 hours on this flight, man. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying. And they know whenever I land. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up. Bitch. Fuck the club up. Bitch. Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up.
Party never ends.
Yeah. Yeah. Young Gunner. Yeah. Run that back, turbo. Baby, set up bakes, cash every day. I got you a mace, I light up blue rays. Yeah, Young Gunner back at it again. We just
Let's go, baby. Trying to, get lit tonight. Figure out where we're staying. Gonna go see the Airbnb. It's about to be crazy. Let's run it up.
watches in the pen. Take a trip around the globe, then we do it again. Got them watching my drip, guess I'm sitting in the trend. Louis backpack, hit a jet and I'm gone. I don't post what I do, cause these niggas be clones. See these diamonds, they hitting these VVS stones. Got a championship ring, I just brought it home. If in this plastic, the bullets like pellets. This Givenchy jacket, this ain't Pella Pella. Sold out dates, you know I don't play. The last 8 months straight, got no time for breaks. On they neck till it break, ain't pressing no brakes.
Vlog, bro.
Let's go!
Morning, Miami. Sheesh, let's go, man. About to run to breakfast really quick. Gotta get to the stage. Gates open at 4.
So it's not nice.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane.
Get ready to get this outfit put together, and we're headed to the stadium. Can't wait to see the gates open. 4 o'clock. See you
For
there.
this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
Oh my God, bro, we're rolling loud, baby.
It's super hot out here, but we got in. Obviously, we're the first in. There's no one in here. We're ready to turn up. Let's go.
On freeway, but no, ain't nothing free. Been laws, been lanes, been busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, so that you
I've ever met.
I couldn't hang first day, but tomorrow with La Flame, we're gonna get it.
It's 2:30 in the morning. 2:30 in the morning, we're about to have dinner. Look at my boy Josh over there. He's
I'm making it. Better
barely
skin my
making it.
teeth.
At least. I'm so excited right now. Oh my God. Boys, I'm not gonna lie.
We got eight McChickens. More.
Oh yeah, festival time. Oh yeah. Think we got enough food, boys?
We might need to order a couple more.
Man, Rolling Loud has been just an amazing experience thus far. Got a bunch of new friends we've made out here. Couldn't be a better vacation. See you guys later. Let's go.
Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends here, they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the wrong. Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends here, they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the wrong.
Honestly, no words. Travis Scott's the GOAT. I am a Don Toliver fan now. So Fuego is next up. So fire to see him. Yacht tomorrow. You guys, this is day 2. Nuts. I'm blown away that this is day 2 of the vlog and you guys think we had a good time today. Wait till you see day 3. The secret. We got 2 big surprises coming. Can't wait to show them to you.
I didn't really see you.
Josh fell asleep in the Uber, for the record.
Charlie? Yeah, it was bad. Like, on the way back. First time.
We're on the way to a yacht, baby. You already know. I'm so excited. You already see the Escalade. It's gonna be a great day. We got the sun out in Miami. We're going on a yacht. Let's go.
First I want front show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the baddest from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch riding around this bitch named all the coders. I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans.
Listen, I'm just a guy from Renton. I have done nothing special. I believed in my dreams. I chased them. I worked hard. I'm a real estate agent. There's no reason you shouldn't be able to have all this with hard work. All this can be done with hard work, and that's what I want to do. That's why I'm starting this vlog. I want to try something new. I want to put myself out there, and we're going to do it. We're going to become YouTubers. We're going to do something crazy. Who just starts it out of nowhere? But guess what? You got to start somewhere. And this is what we're trying to chase, man. This is our goal. This is what we're going to do. This is our dream. We're living it right now. Let's go. Rock on, baby.
Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand. She must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats, and I came with some fucking piranhas.
All the best Scotty, I got in my well, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my trunk, got a hood, now crack out the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, need. Only one she got hit at the street, need. I feel a little rich this week, to influence my family tonight.
Craziest weekend of my entire life. Somehow we ended up on a yacht, 92 feet. I mean, we're in South Beach. It's insane. The houses are beautiful out here. I worked my whole life for this, man. I had a lot of teachers tell me I was never going to be anything. I had a lot of people tell me I was never going to be able to make it. And, man, I just worked hard, man. I found real estate, worked my ass off, and it's been history ever since, man. This is only the beginning.
Let's go.
Bitch had an X stain on her jeans, I know she fucking with others.
I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats, and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Rolling Loud Day 3. We're to the Loud Club today. We're so excited. VIP, all access. You gotta have a freaking specific wristband to get in. We're popping bottles all night. Dom Perignon, Post Malone, Lil Uzi. We can't wait. Let's go.
Baby, hit that back and burn, then pour for a perk. We got his and hers, Thule in that Birkin. Close the window curtains.
If it isn't fake, man, same Uber driver that dropped us off. Let's go. We're on our way, man, to the Loud Club. I'll see you guys there, man. It's exciting. Let's go.
There.
I'm gonna put my money on Josh and Sierra getting us through the night. Julia, the twins, sorry. I was getting the name wrong. I couldn't see the hair.
Shawty, I break that spine. Roll that dice, no cover, sex on ice. Ain't no lock and key, just beep, beep, beep up in my jeans.
Loud Club bracelets. We're getting ready to go to the club. And we're gonna get a shuttle because we're sick. That's what we're doing.
Stretching out that Saint Laurent. She brought two friends, twins. Big old killer. Baby, hit that back and burn. Then pour for a perk. We got his and hers, Thule in that Birkin. Close the window curtains, right up in your skirt. Take off, hit the curve, Thule in that Birkin. When I pop out, this a big key. We roll up. The other bitches that be shifty, I pay for my shit in. Take some time, I don't hug you when I make that mind. Shawty, I break that spine. Thule in that Birkin.
I guess we're on a record. Got my best friend of 8 years right here, bro. Look at the crowd.
Massaging me, cater to a G. I don't gotta tell her her body, she already got a physique. Left a correction and it in grease. I took her heart up her sleeve. But how you keep it 100, and that's really all that I need. Big dog and she my turf. I just hope you know your worth. Baby, hit that back and burn.
Baby, hit that back and burn. Then pour for a perk. We got his and hers, Thule in that Birkin. Close the window curtains, right up in your skirt. Take off, hit the curve, Thule in that Birkin. When I pop out, this a big key. We roll up. The other bitches that be shifty, I pay for my shit in. Take some time, I don't hug you when I make that mind. Shawty, I break that spine. I know how I get. in that Birkin. Close the window, curtain. Right up in your skirt. Take off, hit the curve. Toolie in that Birkin. When I pop out, this a blicky. We roll up, we roll up. The other bitches, they be shifty. I pay for my shit, take some time. I don't hug you when I ain't make that mind. Shawty, I break that spine.
Well, we're here, aren't we? Long journey, long adventure.
Bitch, I'm fine, thanks for asking. Getting money every day, don't got time for relaxing. In my head, they asking where I've been, bitch, I've been away.
I'm excited, man. We're gonna enjoy Miami today. Let's go.
In my head, she been in my head.
Nico's by far my new favorite person to be in the club.
Still can't go to bed. In my head, they asking where I've been, bitch, I've been away. Taking drugs and smoking dope.
0 hours of sleep. 0.
In my head, she been in my head. I just pour codeine. Still can't go to bed.
I don't even care about the cameras. Just talking to you guys, like, to live in the moment. Like, this is insane.